Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back, and welcome to the Axial SCX10 power pole. The SCX10 Deadbolt is going to attempt to pull two Traxxas Summits. Differentials are locked on both Summits, and they're both in low gear. And if you guys remember the familiar sound of that, a little hard to move these suckers. Same as the other one. Alright, so let's get this show on the road and see if the deadbolt can actually pull this off. Oops. Oh, we lost one of our hooks. Hang on, we'll be right back. Don't go away. Okay guys, so since we have lousy traction and the front end was being pulled up, I've re-looped the cable to the front end of the bumper off my extra tow rope, and this should hopefully suck the deadbolt down and give it some more traction. Oh. Nope. I would say that's a fail. Well, don't go away yet. We're going to unhook one of the Summits and see what happens. Okay guys, so we've unhooked the back Summit. That kind of sucked. I thought it'd pull them both. Guess that's a lot of drag brake. A lot of low gear there. So I rerouted the cable again between the deadbolt and my Summit. Let's see if I can pull at least one Summit. That'd be good, wouldn't it? It can do one Summit. It is struggling a little bit, but it can do it. Let's see how much it can haul it. Come on, drag the beaster. There we go. Now I'm only running a 3800 milliamp NIM pack in the deadbolt and a 45 turn motor. Oh no, it got jammed up. Come on, move that Summit, boy. Oh, we're about to break loose. And we broke loose, boys. I guess the owner has to go fetch his own toys. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was a blast. And, yeah, the deadbolt was able to pull one at least for a certain amount. And we do have gravel to deal with. And I am running the G-Made Bighorns with the tread in the incorrect direction as far as I'm concerned for max traction. So I think the deadbolt did really well on that. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.